Professor Erlenmeyer here. Enjoying your time off of school, are you? Well, get back to learning. Just kidding. Learning can happen anywhere, even outdoors. And it's very fun, especially when it's science. Science can be like a magic trick when it's done right. Welcome to the outdoor laboratory for today's experiment on air pressure. The materials for today's experiment? Some boiling hot water. Get going, you. A hard-boiled egg, squishy, 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 and a bottle with approximately this size of an opening. Now, as you saw in the accompanying air pressure music video, air always goes from zones of high pressure to low. Let's say I want to get this hard-boiled egg into the bottle. Doesn't fit, does it? Now I could use my fist or my brain. Now, to get the egg in the bottle, I must create a zone of low pressure inside, so relatively high pressure air from outside pushes the egg plug into the bottle. And to make that low pressure zone, I'll use boiling hot water, which loves to eat up air molecules. Let the experiment begin. Okay. We take the boiling water, we pour it into the bottle, and then we use the egg to create the plug. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Go, little egg. Oh, watch closely. Watch carefully. Here's how to get it out. To get it in, I had to create low pressure inside the bottle. To get it out, I must do the reverse. And to make high pressure inside the bottle, I'll use my lungs. Watch and see. Pour out.
Professor, has that ever happened before?
I have never seen such a sight. That's science for you.
The mysterious forces of air pressure have captivated the minds of scientists young and old for millennia. Responsible for wind, weather, and miniature rocket blasts, welcome to the wonderful world of air pressure.
Air molecules are moving from high pressure to low. Air pressure. If the pressure gets big, then the wind will blow. And if I make the pressure bigger, then the rocket will go. Air molecules are all around us. Air molecules are everywhere. Even though we cannot see them, air molecules are always there. Air molecules are invisible. Air molecules are everywhere. Even though we cannot see them, air molecules are always there. So I say, air pressure. Air molecules are moving from high pressure to low. Air pressure. Oh, if the pressure gets big, then the wind will blow. And if I make the pressure bigger, then the rocket will go.
Now, if the egg doesn't come out on its own, here's how to get it out of the bottle with your lungs. Get that hot water out. Ooh, little egg. Hello, little egg. And now, to create high pressure using the old Erlenmeyer lungs. 3, 2, 1. Air pressure. Air always moves from high pressure to low. Goodbye.
Air pressure.
Should you wish to try this at home, definitely have an adult with you. Show them the experiment first. See if they'd like to join in. And adults, might I recommend some oven mitts? Goodbye.